we are working in Middleton, Mass, taking down some oak trees. As you can see, the job is being done by climbing. There's no other way because we have a leaching field in this area, septic tank and so. Here we are working in Middleton, Mass, taking down a couple of oak trees. Everything done by climbing. No access for the machine due to leaching field in the area, also septic tank, so no job is too big for Lopez Landscaping and Tree Service. Call now for a free estimate. If you are in the North Shore, Boston area, please call. If you have any projects, we do offer tree removal, tree trimming, shrub pruning, spring, fall cleanups. We are fully insured and fully prepared for any project. Have the proper equipment for any job. had this propane tank here in the way, so we had to be very careful with that. Also with the shed in the way, we had to take another tree down here that was on top of it. Job is too big or too small or too difficult for Lopez Landscaping and Tree Service. We offer the best services at the most affordable prices. We have the most experienced climbers, groundsmen. No matter what situation, on top of houses, sheds. We also offer tree service emergencies. Lopez Landscaping and Tree Service. We are fully insured and give free estimates. We offer tree removal, tree trimming, emergency services, stump grinding, shrub pruning, fall spring cleanups, mulching.